Hi guys, welcome to my Dentitox Pro review video. And in this detailed review, I'm going to walk you guys through my experience with the Dentitox Pro supplement, the pros and cons of the supplement, and whether or not the supplement actually works. So one of my close relatives has been using this supplement for the past 1 to 2 months, and she told me to share this with you guys. So if you would like to try it, I hope this helps. And I'm going to share some important things and some serious alerts that you guys need to know before buying the supplement, and what I discovered that you need to avoid if you don't want to lose your money. So please make sure that you stick with this video till the end. And at the end, if you decide that you want to buy this supplement, please make sure you only buy it from the Dentitox Pro official website. And to help with that, I provided the link down below in the description. So don't get scammed buying some fake products thinking it is actually the original supplement. Just use the special discounted link that I provided and buy it safely. So let's get started now by making sure that everyone that's watching this video actually knows what Dentitox Pro is. So it's basically a supplement that cures oral health problems. It contains vitamins, minerals, and synthetic and natural extracts. And those natural extracts are elderberry, sage, cinnamon, and other ingredients to freshen your breath. As well, it contains 100% of your recommended dietary intake of vitamin C, D3, and vitamin K. And all these ingredients are combined in an effective formula which helps to rebuild your gums. It also treats inflammation and infections. It triggers your tooth enamel to regenerate, and it supports strong dental health and systemic health. And most importantly, it keeps your breath fresh. However, if you have very serious teeth diseases, then you should probably consult a doctor rather than entirely depending on this product. So in some fake reviews, people are claiming that it started working like magic in 1 to 2 hours. But let me just tell you that's impossible. If you came here for a quick magical solution, then this is not for you. This is a health supplement and not a drug. Health supplements supply the necessary nutrients that your body needs to naturally fight against the problem. And that's the reason why it takes some time. It has no side effects since it is made from 100% natural ingredients. And I've read about many supplements related to oral health. And unlike other supplements, this one doesn't contain any chemicals or preservatives. So she told me that she heard about Dentitox Pro through an article on some health website. So when the both of us actually went to YouTube to see reviews, all we found were a bunch of junky videos with made up images and robot backgrounds. But that was kind of discouraging because how could we not find any reviews? But that's why I'm making this review video, to help other people. So since Dentitox Pro is actually offering a 60-day money-back guarantee, that's why my relative actually bought the product, knowing that if she tried it and it didn't work, she could just ask for a refund and get her money back right away. She actually started using the product because she was suffering from gum pains. And like I said, she's been using it for the past 1 to 2 months. And I promise her gum pains are completely solved. Since she got the results, she told me to share this product with you guys so that it can help someone else who's having similar issues. So I would highly recommend this Dentitox Pro supplement to everyone who's suffering from dental problems. And again, I won't tell you that you will get results overnight, but if you try this supplement consistently, taking 1 pill a day for at least a month, you have very high chances of getting the same results like she got. What we really liked about the Dentitox Pro is that they made it completely risk-free. So if this product doesn't get you the results that you want, 60 days money back guarantee, whatever reason you don't like it, you can easily claim your money back. And if you decided to buy this supplement, again, make sure to buy it only from the Dentitox Pro official website. And I have again provided the link down below in the description and in the pinned comment section. So yes, this is the end of my review video, and I hope you got some value out of this video. And don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below if you have any doubts or questions, and I will definitely reply to your comments. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care and see you later.